Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today will be a super helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuses relays for the 4x4, also known as transfer case or PTU fuses and relays on Jeep Cherokee right here, that generation from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below if you need something, and also you can check where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the 4x4 fuses and relays known as transfer case fuses and relays, and the PTU fuses relays. Let's explain where you can find them on that Jeep Cherokee. Quick advice, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. We need to go ahead and open the hood. Facing the engine now, right here, this is your engine. You may have a V6, that's okay as well, it's the same. On the right side here, that's the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse, okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse, sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, here what we need to check specifically, guys. Okay, let's explain now. The first fuse that we will need to check is fuse number 10. We're talking about this 20 amp fuse in our case. Okay, for our specific model, it's right here, fuse number 10. That's the one that we need to check. Then we have one more, and this one is known as fuse number 69. You wonder where 69 is located, guys. Well, 69, we're talking about this double fuse right here, known as micro 3-blade fuse. That red one, that's the one that you need to check. Relay, you don't have any relays, you need to just check these fuses that are known as relay fuses. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.